2019 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, CD player, trip computer, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, daytime running lamps, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, front reading lamps, chrome rear bumper, front bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.